When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me.
Welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be sharing a cozy table setting for the holiday season, and it will be featuring tones of white and earthy woodsy tones with some touches of gold and lots of greenery for a verdant design.
Past year, oh, nothing compares to the love that
My faux fur runner with the white birch wood garland is so pretty and monochromatic with a really nice neutral feel. And I mixed it with greenery, and it's layered with some cedar and pine cones, and it really brings in all of the natural elements that I love this time of year. I also have a slightly weathered wood table and server that's adding to the simple classic design of furniture that I love that's been chosen for my dining room, and I love the way it's warming up the space.
away Christmas Day.
A clear charger showcases the cedar leaves placemat, and it's so pretty, and it's accented with a cool and warm tone-on-tone white dinnerware with a cursive salad plate I picked up from Kirkland's that has this beautiful understated design, along with the white dinnerware that's bringing this perfect holiday charm to my table, and I love it. The cedar napkin rings that I paired with the placemats and a crisp white napkin completes this festive place setting that I'm so in love with. To make it simple, I kept the flatware very simple, and I have a stylish clear glass streamlined shape with my stemware that's adding that elegant touch that I was really needing, so it's not leaning to the side of being rustic but more elegant.
A green red
And the actual charger with the gold accents that's on there perfectly pairs with the cohesive design with the vase. So I hope you are feeling inspired with the decorating ideas with layering neutrals for sort of a monochromatic style or feel. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit the bell twice if you'll be subscribing so you'll know whenever I upload a video. I love you guys, and thank you all for watching.
me away Christmas Day.